What if you had just 24 hours to make $1,000 from scratch with zero experience? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the catch. People are already doing it. So the real question is, why not you? Stay with me because in the next 15 minutes, I'll show you exactly what happens when I take on this insane challenge. Spoiler alert, it wasn't easy. Fear and urgency. Think about this. If an emergency hit right now, your car broke down, rent was due, or a surprise bill landed in your lap, could you pull together $1,000 in just one day? If the answer is no, then this challenge isn't just entertainment. It's a wake-up call. Because at some point, life will test you. The question is, will you be ready? The plan. Here's how this is going down. I have 24 hours. No experience. No big upfront investment. Just a phone, internet access, and pure hustle. I'll try multiple side hustles, from flipping free items to quick online gigs, tracking every dollar along the way. And most importantly, I'll break down what worked, what flopped, and what you can copy to make this kind of cash yourself. Ready? Let's go. Attempt number 1. Flipping free items. First idea, flipping free items. Sounds too good to be true? Well, websites like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist are filled with free furniture, appliances, and other valuable stuff people just want gone. The challenge? Finding something worth reselling fast. Within 30 minutes, I found a free wooden dresser. Did it need some love? Absolutely. But with a quick wipe down and better photos, I listed it for $80. The question is, will it sell? Hold that. Thought. Humor. By the way, if flipping furniture doesn't work, I might just start charging people for motivational speeches. You too can achieve greatness. That'll be $5. Attempt number 2. Online gigs. Next up, online gigs. No skills? No problem. Websites like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Upwork have opportunities even for beginners. I posted quick gigs offering Canva designs and basic writing services. Within an hour, I got a request to create a simple Instagram ad for $25. Not a fortune, but hey, that's 2.5% of my goal. But then something unexpected happened. An even easier gig appeared, and it made me wonder, have I been overcomplicating this whole process? Attempt number 3. The lazy money. Hack. Here's where things got interesting. I stumbled across the lazy money method, selling knowledge instead of time. I repackaged free public information into a simple digital PDF guide on 5 easy side hustles and listed it for sale on Etsy. Within a few hours, ding! First sale, $15. And the best part? Unlike physical products, this could sell over and over again. Rhetorical question. Ever wonder why people pay for things they could technically Google for free? It's because convenience always wins. Final hustles and wrapping. Up the day, the next few hours were a blur. My dresser sold for $80, another online gig came through for $50, and my digital guide picked up 2 more sales. But I was still short of my goal. That's when I made one last move, flipping an underpriced PlayStation controller. Bought for $20, sold for $60. And just like that, we hit the finish line. Final hustles and wrapping up the day. The next few hours were a blur. My dresser sold for $80, another online gig came through for $50, and my digital guide picked up 2 more sales. But I was still short of my goal. That's when I made one last move, flipping an underpriced PlayStation controller. Bought for $20, sold for $60, and just like that, we hit the finish line. The final tally 24 hours. Hustle mode activated. The grand total, $1,045. And the best part? Every single strategy I used can be replicated by you. No experience needed, no fancy degrees, just a willingness to take action. Takeaway. Here's the truth. Making money isn't magic. It's a skill. And the sooner you start testing different methods, the faster you'll find what works for you. If you ever feel stuck financially, remember, you don't need permission to change your life. You just need action. But now, the real question is, what if we pushed it further? What if, instead of $1,000, we aimed for $5,000? Or even $10,000? If you want me to take on that challenge, let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, welcome to Fiscal Frequency. This channel is all about helping you make smarter money moves, build wealth, and create the life you deserve. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.